Hi, my name is Sarah Kelly, and I'm the Associate Dean for Administration and Graduate Studies at St. John's Law School in New York. One of the questions I'm most frequently asked is it possible for international lawyers with an LL.M. degree to practice law in the United States? The short answer is yes, but it's always more complicated than that. It's important for you to understand that in the United States, each state governs practice in their own jurisdiction. So if you want to practice law in the United States, you have to know which state you want to practice in. To talk about New York, for example, the New York State Bar does permit foreign lawyers to take an LL.M. and then be admitted to practice in New York. To do that, you have to take an LL.M. program that meets their requirements. So it has to be 24 credits. You have to take a legal ethics class. You have to take an introduction to U.S. law class. You have to take 6 credits of law tested on the New York bar exam. You have to take a legal writing class. But if your program meets all of their requirements, you can be permitted to sit for the bar exam. You also want to make sure that your LL.M. program, in addition to meeting the requirements to sit for the bar exam, also prepares you to actually pass the bar exam. The bar exam is the most difficult exam that most U.S. law students take, and it's even more difficult for students who earned most of their education outside of the United States and may not be native English speakers. If that's the case for you, you really want to make sure the LL.M. programs you're considering have a lot of resources in place to help you be successful when it comes time to take the bar exam itself. After you take the bar exam, each jurisdiction has some other requirements that many students have to meet. Sometimes it's a pro bono requirement or an ethics exam. All of those are typically requirements you can complete after you pass the bar exam itself. So the advice I give my students is, if you want to be admitted to practice in the United States, make sure you meet the requirements to sit for the bar exam. Make sure that you do all of the things that we're offering you to help you be successful on the bar exam. Take and pass the bar exam, and then after that, we'll help you get through all the rest of the requirements. But you're certainly able to practice law in the United States in many jurisdictions with an LL.M., and we love to help you do that.